am Pakistani and you watching Mr. Pakistan, and to do this video I will teach you what is inside this battery. So you may not see my videos, so that's why I'm busy a little bit. So now I made a video continuously daily. Now this is a laptop battery, old used one. Any laptop battery. It is not a flat battery. This battery contains a lithium-ion battery, which is known as 18650 cells inside this battery. Cylindrical cells. Standard type 154FJE420 standard battery, and battery is lithium-ion 11.1 volt DC 7400 mAh. So this is a 6-cell battery. Each battery contains 3 cells, 6 cells, 9 cells, and 12 cells. I have a 6 cells battery. Now I buy this battery for old computer shop. It is a dead battery. So now see what I can to do inside salvage, and inside cell is working or not. This time, warning. If you are dead or if you are not expert people, never try this. Battery, any kind of battery open is almost dangerous at certain levels. Never open, try do this. Now first there is a sticker. We peel the sticker out. There is a battery, also says the same warning. Peel the sticker and you can see these are cells inside. 3 cells there and similarly 3 cells in here. I peel the sticker, and you also use a plastic. If you have plastic spudger or plastic screwdriver, then you can use the plastic ones. But I am using like metal ones to open furtherly. Metal is little bit dangerous because if you pass battery price too hardly, it will short out the battery by damaging positive or other lead or puncture the battery, which will the battery catch fire in accident condition. So I hope I cannot puncture the battery. So easy way to remove with the elbow screw. Keep in mind, always open with battery negative portion, not a positive side. You can see there are line that this line is between there is a positive side and there is a negative side. So always stick a pull in the net side with negative side. So positive side there are a seal, which seal contains negative and positive electrode. It's common to the other and which separate with a seal. If you damage the seal, it will damage the positive negative terminal of the battery, and battery does catch fire. So always open battery in negative side, this kind of battery. So first, I think without peeling the battery sticker, wire directly. Open on one side. It will produce popping crackling noise. Make sure there are a positive strip inside between these 2 cells, so they are almost will not use a sharp thin, always use a dull thin, not a sharp. Now if you pinch a little bit, there is a lot is open. Now open like that. And this battery is also not repairable. Keep in mind. So if I say this battery is repairable, it is not repairable, but it is salvageable. You can salvage themselves and you make your DIY batteries, which I can show you further in the upcoming video. Right now plan is to first salvage the cell, and I hope cell will looking fine. Right, it is a little bit glued. So never use sharp things. Only if you have plastic tool, Then you use plastic tool properly, or now plastic tool, but right now I use metal tool. Now I use too sharp, it's 10. Instead of battery, all these batteries are lithium ion cells, cylindrical cells which are made of metal, so it is don't risk to totally destroy electrolyte of the cell. But there are some little problem might be if your tool are too sharp, then it can punch the battery and the cells which cause cells damage. Now I remove this, although I can little expense the one side of the cell, but it's not a problem because I expected punching about too much, but I do not punch too much. These cells are connected series, two in parallel, two in series and three in parallel. So there's total 6 cells. In the 6 cell version, 9 cell version, is there's 3 parallel or 3 in series. And similarly 12 volt version, 12 cell version contain 4 in parallel and 3 in series. Because each cell is 3.7 volt to 4.2 volt maximum, so that's why this maximum provide 2 to 4 volts. When each cell provides 2 to 4 volts, which can later combine in series to that more voltage. These cells are coming out. Now I keep in mind, also note these batteries are 4400 mAh, meaning each cell is parallel, so 2 cells capacity count. So each cell contains 2200 capacity of each cell mAh. All this battery is not a new, it is a used one, so that's why it might be, maybe cells are a little bit weaker, which saves easily than what a 1 amp hour, I think. Now I open the negative side instead of a positive side. Keep in mind, this thing is also, keep in mind, always open battery in negative position, not a positive position, and never touch the battery, the front board of the BMS, because BMS is the front board, electronic board, which is contained front in the battery. Never open battery this side, nectar side, which contain BMS. Always too nice there. I do this job quickly because there's no a night. Once we open one side, totally open, other side is automatically come out. Let's see. Now it's open. Now raise to side and put here and this will apply force, and batteries will come out like that. Like that. And we remove similarly there also. A little bit plastic still left there, which might maybe contain a BMS, which holds the cells. Well, I push this like there, little bit, might be glue it. Yes, it's glue. And little bit left there. Careful press. Now the pencil to gel and itself. So let's start. It's a little bit state of course when you open first time, but if open tape until multiple times, it's easy to do. Now it's come up. Now what I tend to do, we tend to do cut the wire inside. I think this someone already repaired this because this is soldered our local wires inside. You need a wire scissors, put the wire itself, and then see without cutting anything, which see after voltage of the terminals of the battery and check how much it takes charge. All batteries are in series. Each step so battery comes out like that. It's not like that. Such a way it's 10 0 volt, 4.7, 4.2 volt, 8.4 volt, and then 11.4, 11.8 volt. It ends that. So this BMS charge one by one charge this battery. Charge one cell each time separately by letting power. So that's why this tiny little board known as a BMS, because it is a battery management system to then manage the battery charge. Let me it's come out or not. I think it's clipped somewhere there, but let us see the BMS, because BMS we can see it first. Already now check the battery voltage. So two cells parallel or two 666 try with two cells, series in two cells. So it can maximum give somewhere I think 6.2 volts it is charged. Voltmeter. Let me check how much voltage it is to my positive is this side and negative side. 7.4 volts, something like that. Yellow is positive, and these are the negative wire. Let me straight meter. So it is somewhere 5.3 volt. So few batteries are charged or 1 or 2 volt is missing. Let's try with proper voltage. This time I did not check each cell voltage but individually, because for two reasons. One reason my meter can support more than 5 volt, or other reason is that these batteries are parallel to that. So if we need to please test, we need to salvage the battery. That's why it needs much effort, more and time also. So night is coming. So I made a part 2 in tomorrow after decide and then see you 8.2 volt. Normally 11 point. Let me. This is broken. Yes, this is broken. Let's see label first. This label. This label is 11.4 volt. So it's 8.4. 8, 9, 9, 10 and 11. 3 volt is missing.